Year 5 Maths lesson, Tuesday, week 5. In today's lesson, we are learning to identify appropriate units of measurement for length. For you to be successful, you need to be able to identify the units used for measuring length. We're going to be focusing on millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. You can convert between different units of measurement, and you can identify which unit of measurement is best to be used in different scenarios. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, we are going to be looking at 4 main units of measuring length. The first one is millimeters. This can be written in shorthand by 2 lowercase m's, centimeters, a lowercase c and m, meters, a lowercase m, kilometers, a lowercase k and m. Now, 10 millimeters is the same as 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter, and 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So we're going to go, our activity for today will have us going through some different images of things, and you need to see if you can correctly guess which unit of measurement you would use to measure the following things. So let's get started. The first one is a football stadium, or the length of our football field. Which unit of measurement would be best to measure this with? Have a go. If you said meters, you would be correct. All right, what unit of measurement would you use to measure the length of an ant? If you said millimeters, great work. What unit of measurement would we use to measure the length of a baseball bat? Centimeters. What about the length of a Nintendo Switch handheld console? Centimeters. The height of the Q1 hotel in the Gold Coast? Meters. What about the width of Australia? So that's from the leftmost side to the rightmost side of Australia. What unit of measurement would we use to measure that length? That's right, kilometers. What about the width of a key? So you can see in the yellow circle which bit I'm referring to. What unit of measurement would you use to measure that? Millimeters. What about the length of a kangaroo's ear? You can see it in the orange circle there. The length of a kangaroo's ear. That's right, centimeters. Great work. How did you go with that activity? How many did you get correct? All right, so to finish off our lesson today, what we're going to do is we are going to have a think of using the knowledge from our PowerPoint that we just had and your understanding for measuring already. I want you to name 5 things that we could measure using millimeters. 5 things that we could measure using centimeters, and then 5 things using meters and 5 things using kilometers. You also have a worksheet to practice this task on today. Don't forget, once you finish your work, to try and send it through to Ms. Reardon or myself, or put it up on the OneNote if you have access, or bring it back when you bring back your next take-home packs. Looking forward to hearing from you all. Have a great week.